Of the story is Rollo and Ruff by Mick Inkpen. Hi Kitty. Let's start together. Rollo is on his mat in the yard behind the corner shop. The yard tap trips. Pling 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 pling. Along comes the LFP with some plastic string. The LFP is always on. Look out for things to add her nest. Hello, Alafi. This is one. It's normal Tuesday. This morning, his little red ball is missing. Alafi, have you been packing my mat? And Alafi is too busy to the answer. There are birds for Ola's mat all over the yard and sometimes else. Little red birds. Little red birds? Birds of his little red ball, and that's all. Actually, that's not all. There are footprints. Prints. This. But whose footprints? Rollo come quickly. It is the olive bee. She's so excited she can hardly speak. There's something asleep in my nest. It's true. There are little pink tails telling to him, and she's telling to him broadly. Creature is thin, thick, and scruffy. It's sleeping. It's a bit stringy. The creatures open an eye and gives a terrified squeak, squeak. It jumps out of the nest, scamper across the yard, and disappears down the drain. Plop. There is its trace, blinking in the dark, but suddenly, and the little rat began to cry. My name is Ruff. It sniffs. Am I really stinky? Rages the little rat won't come out the drain, so Rollo brings some sweeties from the corner shop. He lays them in a long line soon. A pointy, whiskery nose is sniffing the air, and not long after out comes Ruff. Silence. Ruff has never tasted anything so lovely, so fantastic, so delicious. He eats a lot. Then he falls asleep with his cheeks full of marshmallows. Ha ha ha. Yes, yes, says Rollo, we can use this. He pulls pieces out of his mat while the LFP flies back and forth, carrying them away in her beak. Rollo wakes Ruff. Ruff, this is your new front door. But Ruff looks confused. Sleepily, he climbs back into the drain. No, 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 Ruff, no, down the drain. Go up, go up, go up. Go up the pipe. So here's Ruff climbing up out of the dark up toward the roof and out. Another white sky where there are a billion stars twinkling and a nest made out of Rollo's mat just for him. Now you are happy in your new home and nest. Squawk, 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 squawk. Pling, pling, pling. The yard tap drips. Splish, splish, splash, splish. It's the Ruff, making sure that nobody will ever call him stinky again. You are the greatest one in our lives.